Hi friends, welcome back. I have a really deep and small pantry, so the only way it could work out for me was if I used the depth of the pantry space. In this video, we will see 3 different ways in which I have optimized the depth of the pantry space and stored a lot of stuffs in it, and at the same time made everything very easily accessible. If you're new to my channel, I make Dollar Tree hauls, really easy DIY home decor and organizing videos. If you enjoy watching such videos, please subscribe to my channel because all my uploads are focused on leading a really simple, budget-friendly and amazing life. And I would love to catch you guys in my upcoming uploads. Thank you. This is the messy state of my pantry. To be honest, I really made it messy just for this video to give you guys an idea of how messy a deep pantry can become. And I've been using this system for almost 2.5 years now, and it has been serving our family quite well. So I just wanted to share and how I have organized a deep pantry because I know it's really a problematic space. I want to share a few organizing items that I used to arrange my pantry. I got these long wooden baskets from Michael's at 80% off. You can see that the original price was $25 and I got it for $5. I also got these sturdy deep bins from Big Lots for $3 each. They have a huge sale now. These are comparable to the bins from the Target, while Target carries the same for $7 to $9. I also got this container from IKEA. The next is this really big lazy Susan from Bed Bath & Beyond. I used a 5 or 15% coupon. I got the motion sensitive lights from Amazon. This is how I arranged my top shelf. In the front I have the IKEA containers. In the back I have a big Dollar Tree bin with snug fits in there. I have all the powdered spices stockpiled in here. I keep the spices I use every day next to my cooking range in mason jars. The second shelf has the big lazy Susan with all the mason jars. These are the items that I use at least 2 to 3 times every week, and it is an eye range. I have all my lentils and legumes here. The light helps to see everything in this deep pantry. As it's motion activated, I don't even have to turn it off or on. The third shelf also has the same setup, and I have few more items in mason jars here. I have all the nuts and dried fruits in these owl-shaped glass containers, and I got them from Big Lots for $1 each. In the fourth shelf, I have the long wooden bins that has my everyday oil items. Next to it, I have all the rice, multipurpose and basin flour. Behind this, I have the blue deep bin which stores all my extra items. I purposefully did not label them. I will let you know why in a while. The fifth and sixth shelf has a very similar setup to the fourth one. Here I have the puppet. These are the Indian dried chips that you need to fry in oil. If you have not tasted them folks, then you should definitely give it a try because they taste so good and they are better even than the potato chips, trust me. Next to it, I have all the cereals in these Dollar Tree Pour Easy containers. Behind it, I have another blue bin with extra stuffs. The sixth shelf has all my ready to eat items and easily preparable items. I currently have a lot of pasta stuffs here. Next to it, I have the oats and wheat flour in a container. Behind it, I have another blue bin that stores my extras. The long wooden bin is actually acting as a pull-out drawer here, and it is very easy to use in a deep pantry. I purposefully did not label any of the blue bins because it carries all my extras. I don't want to separate where my extras go and just wanted to put them away in a bin whichever has space available in it. If I want to search for anything specific, all I have to do is search in these 3 bins, which is not going to take even more than a minute for me. So this way of sorting out things is very easy for me. That's it guys, this is the overall view. Everything in the front are the items that I use every day or at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Everything in the back are neatly stored and are accessed only once or twice a month. This has served our family quite well for more than 2 years now. I have labeled everything that's not in a clear container using labels I got from Amazon for cheap price. I got like a set of 72 labels for less than $10. I used it all through my house. I used chalk paint to write on it. It rubs easily with damp cloth. I highly recommend it. You can also use Dollar Tree labels, they are pretty good too. Thanks for staying till the end, folks. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps my channel a lot. Also, please consider subscribing to watch more upcoming weeks. Thank you.